Hi everyone, and welcome to Math 052 Quantitative Reasoning Support. My name is Miss Deidre, and I'm your instructor for both this class and your Quantitative Reasoning course. So if you're taking both of these classes together, I want to review a couple things to help make sure you're successful during week one. So first and foremost, this is a 15-week asynchronous online course, so that means we will not be meeting in person, and I will be posting weekly announcements that has the material that you're going to be covering. So every week, I'm going to post what you guys need to cover. So all of these will be due by Friday the 13th at 11:59. So Friday is just going to be our universal due date unless I state otherwise in your announcements. Um, Important things to note is a lot of your grade for this course is actually going to be coming from your 152 course. So we're double dipping a bit here. But the structure of this course is you're going to complete your support assignment. So for instance, you're going to complete support activity 1A here. You're going to fill out your notes. And then at the end of each week, I am going to have you guys turn in your notes just so I can check and make sure you're on a good track. And once you're done in here, you'll move over to your 152 course to complete your preview assignment, your lesson, and your practice. So really, you should be completing your support assignments before you go over into your 152 course. So they are technically two different courses. You're going to get two different grades, so it's important that you're keeping up with both of them. I do have the video linked in along with the note page if you want to print them out. You can also buy them from the bookstore. And again, at the end of every week, I'll collect your notes. And for this week, we do also have a course information quiz. So for your grades, there's, like I mentioned before, a lot of double dipping. So let's go ahead and look at the evaluation real quick. So you're going to have project grades, but these grades are going to be coming right from 152. So you're not doing extra projects, but rather I'm taking your grade from your 152 course and I'm putting it into this course. Same thing with your quizzes. You're going to have a bunch of quizzes you're doing in 152. So for instance, in Unit 1, you're going to have 3 quizzes you're going to do, and I'm going to take the highest score of all those 3 quizzes, and I'll put that in your 052 grade. I'm going to average your homework assignments and your practice assignments, so pop them in here. And we will have some different weekly activities that we're going to be doing, and that's part of where your notes are going to come in as well. So if you have any questions at all about how your grades is being calculated at any point, please reach out. So you do have my contact information here. You can stop by my office, give me a call. Again, I know this is an online course, but you are not doing this alone. I am here to help and support you whenever you need it. We also have the tutoring center and a myriad of other supports to help you be successful as well. Just going to put this in student view real quick to show you one more thing before we end our video for this week. So as you're going through your units, there are going to be some videos that are kind of laid out between, but I pulled them all out into this helpful video section here. So if you get stuck at any point, for instance, on box plot, dot plots, you can go right into this section, and there's just some extra videos for you to watch that'll help you be successful. Just click on those, and there's an extra little YouTube video. As I mentioned, there are going to be weekly assignments that are going to come from me collecting your notes every week, and there's also going to be a few throughout the units as well. But once those start coming up in our schedule, I'll go ahead and link those into our weekly announcement, and I'll explain those a little bit more. So I hope you guys all have a great first week. Again, if you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I look forward to working with you guys this semester.